Welcome to the AladdinVerse Web3 ecosystem. In this video, we will show you how to create a new TokenPocket wallet step by step for BNB Chain users. First, open the TokenPocket application on your mobile device. If the app is already installed, simply tap Open and wait for TokenPocket to load. On the welcome screen, TokenPocket may show a short introduction about multi-chain wallet services. Continue through these welcome screens until you reach the wallet setup options. If you are creating a wallet for the first time, choose No Account. This option allows you to create a completely new wallet inside TokenPocket. Now, select the wallet type and network. For AladdinVerse and other BNB Chain-based platforms, make sure you select BNB Chain or BSC from the network list. On the Create Wallet screen, enter a wallet name. This name is strictly for your own identification inside the app, so choose something simple and easy to recognize. Next, create a strong wallet password and confirm it. Use a secure password that you can remember, but never share it with anyone. You may also add a password hint if you wish. After that, review the user agreement carefully and continue only when you fully understand the responsibilities of creating a wallet. Before the wallet is generated, TokenPocket will display important safety instructions. Please read them carefully. Your wallet's security depends entirely on your password and your recovery phrase. The next step is the recovery phrase backup. This is the most critical part of the process. Your recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. For your own safety, never record your recovery phrase digitally, never take a screenshot of it, and never send it to anyone. Write it down on paper and keep it in a safe, private place. Once the backup step is complete, TokenPocket may ask you to select networks to connect. Keep BNB Chain selected. You can also check any other required networks if needed. Now, confirm your network selection and generate the wallet. TokenPocket will finalize the setup and build your new dashboard. Once the dashboard appears, your new TokenPocket wallet is ready. You can now view your assets, receive tokens, and securely connect to supported Web3 platforms. From the menu section, you can manage your wallet, verify transaction records, and access your settings. Always double-check that you are using the correct active wallet before connecting to AladdinVerse. Your TokenPocket wallet has now been created successfully. Remember, keep your private keys to yourself, keep your assets secure, and only ever interact with official verified platforms. Welcome to AladdinVerse.